Did you know you can create high-quality beauty products at home for a fraction of the cost? It's true, and the best part is, you have complete control over what goes into them. No harsh chemicals, just pure natural goodness. For me, beauty has always been deeply connected to health and wellness. It's not just about looking good on the outside, but feeling amazing from within. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of self-care, creativity, and glowing skin, stick around. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of DIY beauty, exploring its incredible benefits, and whipping up some magical concoctions together. Get ready to unleash your inner beauty alchemist. Hey, beautiful souls! Let's talk about why DIY beauty is more than just a passing trend. It's a way of life. First and foremost, it's incredibly empowering. You become the creator of your own beauty rituals, choosing ingredients that resonate with your values and skin needs. Secondly, the cost-effectiveness is undeniable. Think about all those expensive creams and serums you've purchased, only to be disappointed. DIY beauty lets you create effective products with simple, affordable ingredients you can find at the grocery store or online. Plus, it's a beautiful way to connect with nature. Using ingredients derived from plants and botanicals reminds us of the Earth's incredible healing power. And by ditching mass-produced products filled with synthetic ingredients, you're making a conscious choice to reduce your environmental impact. Are you ready to dive in? Let's be real for a moment. Conventional beauty products can be expensive. Those fancy jars and promises of miracle results often come with a hefty price tag. But what if I told you that you could achieve equally amazing, if not better, results with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen? Think about it. A single avocado can make multiple face masks, a bag of oats can last you months of soothing baths, and a few drops of essential oils go a long way. These natural ingredients are not only effective, but also incredibly affordable. By making your own beauty products, you're cutting out the middleman. No more marketing markups, celebrity endorsements, or fancy packaging costs. You're investing in the pure, potent power of nature without breaking the bank. Imagine the satisfaction of creating a luxurious body scrub that rivals high-end brands for a fraction of the cost. DIY beauty empowers you to prioritize your well-being without sacrificing your budget. So ditch those overpriced products and embrace the affordable luxury of DIY. Have you ever read the ingredient list on your favorite lotion or shampoo and felt like you needed a chemistry degree to understand it? Sadly, many conventional beauty products are loaded with harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and artificial colors that can be harmful to our health and the environment. This is where the magic of DIY beauty truly shines. When you make your own products, you become the alchemist of your own beauty destiny. You choose exactly what goes onto your skin and hair, ensuring that every ingredient is pure, natural, and beneficial. No more worrying about hidden toxins, irritating preservatives, or questionable sourcing. You have the power to create products that are as gentle as they are effective, tailored specifically to your unique needs. Imagine knowing every single ingredient in your face mask, feeling confident that it's nourishing your skin with the goodness of nature. DIY beauty is about taking control of your health and well-being by making conscious choices about what you put on your body. There's a unique sense of accomplishment that comes from creating something with your own two hands. It's a feeling of empowerment, creativity, and connection that goes beyond the final product. DIY beauty is about more than just mixing ingredients. It's about tapping into your inner artist and alchemist. Remember those childhood days spent making mud pies and flower perfumes in the backyard? DIY beauty rekindles that sense of wonder and playfulness. It's about experimenting with different ingredients, discovering new combinations, and creating something uniquely your own. Imagine the satisfaction of whipping up a batch of homemade soap, watching it transform from a liquid mixture into beautiful, fragrant bars. Or the joy of gifting a friend a jar of your signature body scrub, knowing you poured your heart and soul into creating it. Every time you use your creations, you'll be reminded of your own creativity and resourcefulness. Ready to embark on your DIY beauty adventure? Let's gather our essential supplies, your tools for creating magic. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy laboratory or expensive equipment. Most of these ingredients can be found in your kitchen or local health food store. First up, carrier oils. These are the base of many DIY beauty products, and some of my favorites include coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, and olive oil. They're incredibly moisturizing and nourishing for the skin and hair. Next, let's talk butters. Shea butter, cocoa butter, and mango butter are like heaven in a jar. They add richness, creaminess, and a luxurious feel to your creations. Now for a touch of magic essential oils. These potent plant extracts not only smell divine, but also offer various therapeutic benefits. Lavender for calming, tea tree for purifying, rosemary for stimulating. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk about hair care. Our hair goes through a lot, from heat styling to environmental damage, and deserves some extra love. The good news is, you can create salon-worthy hair treatments right in your own kitchen. Why DIY hair care? Because it allows you to nourish your locks with the purest, most natural ingredients, free from harsh chemicals that can strip your hair of its natural oils and vitality. Imagine transforming dry, brittle strands into soft, manageable locks with a simple homemade hair mask. Or creating a clarifying shampoo that removes product buildup without stripping your hair of its natural moisture. DIY hair care is about giving your hair the TLC it deserves, using ingredients that are as gentle as they are effective. In the following chapters, we'll be whipping up some magical hair care recipes that will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and healthy. Get ready to unleash your inner hair goddess. Get ready for a dose of intense hydration with this luxurious avocado and olive oil hair mask. Avocado, nature's hair moisturizer, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that nourish and strengthen hair strands. Combined with the moisturizing properties of olive oil, this mask will leave your hair feeling incredibly soft, manageable, and full of shine. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make. Here's what you need: 1 ripe avocado, mashed, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Optional for added shine. Combine all ingredients in a bowl until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Apply the mask to damp hair, focusing on the lengths and ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let it work its magic for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, followed by your regular shampoo and conditioner. Over time, product buildup, hard water, and environmental pollutants can weigh down our hair, leaving it looking dull and lifeless. That's where a clarifying shampoo comes in handy. This DIY clarifying shampoo, using the power of apple cider vinegar, will gently remove buildup without stripping your hair of its natural oils. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance your scalp's pH level, leaving your hair feeling clean, soft, and incredibly shiny. Here's what you'll need: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of your favorite natural shampoo. Combine the apple cider vinegar and water in a bottle and shake well. After shampooing your hair with your regular shampoo, pour the apple cider vinegar mixture onto your scalp and hair, gently massaging it in. Dreaming of long, luscious locks? This natural hair growth serum, packed with hair-loving ingredients like castor oil, rosemary essential oil, and peppermint essential oil, can help stimulate hair growth and promote a healthy scalp. Castor oil is known for its ability to promote hair growth due to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, which is believed to increase blood circulation to the scalp. Rosemary essential oil is a stimulating oil that can help to awaken hair follicles, while peppermint essential oil provides a refreshing and invigorating sensation to the scalp, further promoting circulation. In a small glass bottle, combine 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. Shake well to combine. Apply a few drops of the serum to your scalp and massage gently using your fingertips in circular motions. Our skin, our largest organ, deserves to be pampered with the purest and most natural ingredients. DIY skincare is about creating a personalized routine that caters to your skin's unique needs, using ingredients that are gentle, effective, and free from harsh chemicals. Whether you have dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, or a combination of all, there's a DIY skincare recipe out there for you. Imagine creating a face mask that leaves your skin feeling soft, supple, and glowing. From cleansers to toners, scrubs to serums, the possibilities are endless. In the upcoming chapters, we'll be diving into the world of DIY skincare, exploring recipes that are as effective as they are simple to make. Get ready to nourish your skin from the inside out. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a more natural and empowered beauty routine. Remember, DIY beauty is a journey of self-discovery and creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and personalize the recipes to suit your preferences and needs. By embracing DIY beauty, you're not only saving money and taking control of your health, but also contributing to a more sustainable planet. Imagine a world where we all embrace the power of nature to enhance our beauty, a world with less waste, fewer chemicals, and more radiant, glowing skin. So go forth, my fellow beauty enthusiasts, and unleash your inner alchemist. Let's create a world where beauty is truly natural, sustainable, and empowering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural and homemade skincare tips.